Welcome back to the channel, everyone. ggkickzz here, back with another Nike SB review. This is brought to you by a special kind of skate shop slash surfboard shop based out of San Francisco called Gnarhunters. Box reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike, black, white. That's the colorway basically. This shoe right here is magnificent. Like I said, they are a unique skate shop slash surf shop company, so different materials on here, which is always nice on the Nike SBs. Rainbow box, that means it was exclusively to skate shops. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to cop these from home base, but shout out to you guys anyways. Whenever home base shock dropped these, they were at a skate park and I was 2 hours away and I was working, so there was no way I was gonna get my size 11.5 here. Bamboo paper on the inside. I'm gonna start off with the laces just to clear the air. These look a little different. I know they're not thick Nike SB laces, but this is a different type of shoe, like I said. So it doesn't come in that normal bungee style with the laces. If you guys know what I'm talking about, Nike SB heads, you guys know how the laces come, but this has a different type of lacing system. It has a bungee lacing system. So this is the Gnarhunter right here in all its glory. Like I said, very special skate shop based out of San Francisco. They had a mid blazer in 2019 and they basically just implemented it into this, but with different materials and stuff. So what you guys probably noticed straight off the bat is that it brings a little tag. This is just not a tag with a logo. This is actually a wax comb for the surfboards. So it actually has some usage to it. It's not just something that they threw in there, which is very nice, man. For $110, you cannot complain with this. We're gonna start off with the outsole. White Nike SB Dunk Low outsole, very clean. Midsole is all black. And then around the toe, you guys can see this material here. It's a little different. This material, I believe, is neoprene, wet swimsuit material. So you guys have like that kind of beach vibe all over the shoe, because the toe box, it's made out of like that towel material as well. And you have that in the middle, towards the back, on the inside, pretty much everywhere, man. Like there's just so many details to this shoe. Removable Nike swoosh as well, which is pretty dope. You guys may think that this is broken, but it's actually designed this way to have the rip here and the rip there. That just like melted. It's like they melted it off. That was the vibe they were going for. And then it has like wax residue on the Nike swoosh as well. Not sure if the camera's picking that up, but yeah, you guys can basically put this anywhere on the sneaker. I like to put it back here. Not sure if I'll wear it like this one day, but I like to put it back there just because you can stick it on anywhere, man, with this material that they use on here. Reminds me of the Gundam Nike SBs that had the removable Nike swoosh. Those only had it on this side of the shoe though, not the medial side. This one has it on both. So you guys have extra Nike swooshes to play with there. Get creative, do whatever you want to do. Laces, like I said, they're different type of laces. You don't get those thick laces that you get with the regular Nike SBs. These are more thin, obviously bungee style. So you pull up, pull this thing down, and you're ready to skate, surf, whatever you're gonna do with these, man. Pretty dope. You have the wet swimsuit material on the tongue there as well, and then you have Gnarhunters Nike SB key stamped on there. Brings us to the heel of the shoe, also Gnarhunter branding, just Gnarhunter, just Gnar on the back there, he stamped as well. And yeah, man, what do you guys think of this towel material? They went for a beach vibe, a surf vibe, but also keeping it true to the Nike SB format. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Let me show you guys the insole because it's actually pretty dope. Struggle getting these out. They added insoles for extra protection. And when I was reading that on the website, I'm like, extra protection, what do you mean? And when I got these in hand. So here are both insoles, front and back. It has your fun screen, aka your sunscreen for you. This just has a little scuba gear. That's kind of their logo. If you go on their website, you'll see that on Gnarhunters. But yeah, fun screen if you're like me. You need sunscreen ASAP whenever there's a little bit of sunlight outside, because I get burnt really fast. So I was able to pick these up on StockX for around $203. I'm not sure what the market is now, but I put in a bid for like $170, and then all the taxes and stuff came out to $203. But the fact that I got a Nike SB in 2022 for $170, can't complain, man. I didn't have to go out of my house, join a raffle, do all of that extra stuff. Good thing people are sleeping on these. I'm definitely keeping these in the collection though. Very different. It's a black Nike SB, so I needed these. And yeah, you can have fun with it, man. You can definitely have fun with it. I'm gonna be giving this shoe an 8 out of 10. The creativity was there. I'd be rating shoes too high though, so I gotta, you know, leave a spot for the grails, you know what I mean? But yeah, I give this an 8, honestly. It's a dope shoe. The build quality is good for the most part. Have to see how this material holds up while skating. But yeah, man, you guys let me know what you guys think of this review in the comment section down below. Enjoy the on-foot footage at the end. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, comment down below, do all that fun stuff. This is ggkickzz, and I'm out.